Did you ever wonder what happens to your food scraps after they hit the trash can? Well, heads up, they could be harming our planet more than you realize. Every year, millions of tons of food waste end up in our landfills, creating a hidden danger, methane gas. This potent greenhouse gas is a leading cause of global warming. And by understanding how we can tackle this issue, we can play a vital role in creating a healthier environment for yourself and future generations. Today we'll learn how composting can turn your kitchen scraps and yard waste into a powerful solution. You see, according to the United Nations, 1/3 of all food produced around the world is wasted, and much of that ends up in our landfills. Now that's a staggering amount and scary, because food scraps like apple cores and coffee grounds and yard waste like leaves and branches are not just a waste of resources, it's a huge problem for our planet. You see, when organic materials sit rotting in landfills, they break down without oxygen. Now, this process, known as anaerobic decomposition, creates methane gas, or CH4. Now, methane is a super strong greenhouse gas. It traps heat far better than carbon dioxide, or CO2, making it a significant force that drives global warming. Now, in simple terms, even though there's more carbon dioxide in the air, methane is much better at trapping heat. This means methane is a more potent and dangerous greenhouse gas that really affects our planet. To tackle global warming, we need to cut down on methane by keeping organic waste out of the landfills. So how can you help? Well, here's where composting comes in. Yahoo! Composting lets organic waste break down in a space full of oxygen. So when we compost banana peels and grass clippings, they decompose aerobically, that is, with oxygen, producing much less methane. Now, here's the exciting part. I'm asking you to join me in the fight against global warming. As gardeners, we hold the power to make a difference. By keeping food scraps, yard waste, and other organic stuff out of landfills, we can help lower methane emissions. Now, even if you don't compost, remember, we all produce food waste, right? So by managing your organic waste wisely, you are supporting a healthier planet now and for our grandchildren. If you enjoyed this video, spread the good word, like spreading good compost in your garden, to your family, your friends, and fellow gardeners. So let's join forces as compost ambassadors to bring about good change. Together, we can compost a difference. Keep your hands in the dirt and your eyes on the stars. Have a great day. Cheers.